Jacob, this is a quick video for you to talk about how you make a stem and leaf plot. So I've used some numbers up top. These are my data points. Let's just say that I asked how many windows are at your house. That might not be a realistic one for this, or how many football players are on a football team. And I asked a whole bunch of different high schools, and these were the answers they gave me. So we spread this off with our stem and our leaf. This is our stem. Oh, I missed the top part of the S. There we go, our stem and our leaf. And the stem represents the tens, and the leaf represents the ones. So the stem here would represent the 20s, the 30s, the 40s, and the 50s. Now remember, each number that's represented here needs to have a point on the stem and leaf plot. For example, 23, we'd write our 3 under the leaf, 23. 34, 37, another 37, and a 38. Notice how even that, because there are two 7s here, there are two 7s that are written on, two 37s up here, there's two 7s that are written on the 30s. We have 40 and 48, 52 and 54. Notice how the number of data points on the leaf, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, is the same as what we have up top here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 data points here, 9 up there, so that means that it works out together. I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye-bye.